So when I go out on trips, I always use this toiletry bag, and one of the most important things of this is gonna be a toothbrush. So I switched to this folding toothbrush by Lingito. It's gonna be about 4.5 inches tall, and these come in a pack of 3. So we have the blue one, which I use, and then 2 other new ones that I still didn't use. We got the green and the purple. And I switched to this just because it makes it a lot easier to store away here. So when I do put it away, I don't have to worry about the bristles getting dirty accidentally on a random counter. And here's how this looks like now. It's got this soft rubber on the side. So when I hold the toothbrush, it feels nice and secure. The bristles have been used, so I might need to change out the toothbrush pretty soon. I think one of these bristles are kind of pushed outwards a bit, but it still feels pretty secure. And of course, closing it is very simple. Just push it in and there. So when fully extended, this is going to be about 7 3/4 in length. And when compared to my daily toothbrush, and this is going to be a Colgate, it's going to be a little bit taller, as you see. And here they are side by side. And this one also feels, I think it's a little bit lighter than this one too. And here you can see they both have some grip, but this one's also going to be a lot thinner when compared to this one. So this handle can feel a little bit more ergonomic because it's a little bit thicker. But yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy with this folding toothbrush. It makes it really easy to travel with. And again, once I'm done with this, I have 2 other ones. But yeah, that's a quick look at the Lingito Folding Toothbrush.